Hello Eugenix team, this is Yin from Canada. I just touched down and I thought I'd give you guys an update as to what my post-op transplant is looking like day three. So I think you can see that it's healing quite nicely. Let me get a little bit better light there. Hopefully you can see better that way. It looks fantastic. Really clean job. And Dr. Bansal, thank you so much. You really laid the foundation for what looks to be a great outcome. Let's see if I can give you some shots from the side. Everything is looking good, especially in the donor area. But you can see that the donor area is healing quite nicely. There's a bit of swelling in the back yesterday, and let me give you a shot from the bird's eye. I think you can probably see. I can tell you from all of the research I've been doing, and seeing the results from people like Zoomster and some of the other patients that you've done extensive work on. This looks like it's going to be an absolute home run. So I can't thank you guys enough. The entire team. What an amazing bunch of people you guys are. Dedicated, passionate, hardworking, dream givers. That's what you guys are. You guys are dream givers. You give dreams back to people. You give life back to people. I'll tell my whole story one day for you guys just to understand exactly what I went through. I'll keep you guys up to date. Bye.